In 2022, we saw the introduction of a new silhouette from New Balance in the 9060, first brought on by Joe Fresh Goods in the Inside Voices collaboration. Really good shoe, and it was right off the bat a sneaker of the year candidate for me. But these right here just might be the best 9060 of them all. What is going on, good people? Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. As usual, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. And if you like the content on your way out, please hit that like button as well. So Christmas came early here with the Bodega 9060 Age of Discoveries. I was really excited about this shoe the first time I saw it. It kind of snuck up on me. I didn't expect these to be dropping here. I know Bodega did a few New Balance releases this year. I had the 574, which I reviewed earlier in the year. Check the channel if you guys want to see that video. I love this silhouette. A lot of people are saying this reminds them of the Adidas Yeezy 500, which I can see the similarities, like with the pod structure, but this is a really good looking shoe. I like it a lot, and again, this is probably my favorite color of them all. I gotta throw a hot take out there. Blue is not even my favorite color at all. I don't like blue much, and so for me to really like this shoe, like this is something special, and the camera is probably not doing this blue any justice. If you guys have seen pictures or any on feet action with these, it is a beautiful, beautiful blue. So to get into some of the backstory of this sneaker, Bodega and New Balance are commemorating the Age of Discovery, or the Age of Exploration, which is a period for European culture in the 1400s through the 1600s, where they were traveling the world, taking in some of the other cultures, you know, and they were drawing inspiration, whether that be through architecture, you know, culinary arts, things of that nature. And this shoe kind of pays homage to that, and I think that's a really interesting touch. So you've got some of those hints, and you can tell in the color blocking where that, you know, resembles like the waters and, you know, construction of like the different materials, and, you know, the browns, and like the, you know, you've got the columns and things like that. And you see it on the box as well, which is really cool. I think the box is really a conversation piece where you have like the Colosseum, you know, marble, and then in the inside of the box you've got that artwork, which is really indicative of those times, and I think that's really cool. I like the packaging a lot, and it really speaks to the story of the shoe really well. Besides the color blocking, I think what stands out a lot for me on the shoe is like the mesh layout of the sneaker. You've got the big porous mesh going across the heel and then on the medial side, where like on the toe cap and in some of the other inlays, you've got the regular standard mesh that you're used to seeing on the sneaker. I think it's really dope. And then on the underlays, you have this brown breaking up the blue, which looks really, really good. I like that a lot. And then of course, you've got like two different types of suede. You've got a nappy suede, and then you've got a smooth suede on different parts of the sneaker. And then you've got the perforated suede inserts here on the underlays as well. Reflective in on the lateral side of the shoe. And then you've got the stitched purple end going on the medial side. I love the brown on the shoe. You've got the tongue, which is brown, and then the matching shoelaces. You also get two additional shoelaces in this cream color and like a cement tone as well, just to kind of match the other parts of the sneaker. You've got a nappy tongue here with the 9060 on it. Got that same kind of brownish tone on the inside of the collar of the shoe. Heel collar, you've got that nappy suede with the purple stitched New Balance. Absorb technology on the midsole, outsole with the pods on the forefoot, and then on the heel, got the yellow N here on the toe. Nothing special about the insole on this one. You got Bodega, New Balance in purple. Same thing on the right shoe as well. Now to go over the sizing of this shoe, I went true to size, which is a size 12. I think fits just fine. It is a little room on the toe, which is fine to me. It's a little bit on the wider side also, which is not a bad look. I know with most like New Balance made in USA, if you go true to size, it's a noticeable difference. This one isn't bad. This is just enough so as you're mobile and moving around, I feel like it's a good fit. So my suggestion would be stick true to size here for a good fit, especially if you're on the wider side. But also if you have a chance to try on a pair of 9060s, I would suggest doing that because everybody's foot is different, so it might be different for you. So final thoughts on the New Balance Bodega Age of Discovery 9060s. Of the 9060s this year, this has been my favorite color by far, bumping off the Joe Freshgoods Penny Cookie Pink. Inside Voices, this definitely takes the cake. Again, this is big coming for me because I don't like blue that much. I don't have too many blue sneakers in my closet at all, but these are a go. These are comfortable, and I really like what Bodega's done with New Balance throughout the year. Like I mentioned earlier, I have the 574s that they dropped over the summer. But you know, this is definitely just in time for the new year and possibly is going to make my sneaker of the year list. But post your comments below. Let me know what you think, first of all, of the New Balance 9060. I think there's some mixed feelings about the silhouette in general. Also, what do you think about this particular collaboration? Do you like the colorway? Is there a better 9060 in your opinion? Where do these stack up against the Joe Freshgood release? And also, what is your favorite New Balance of 2022? Again, post a comment below, let me know. More to come. Please stay tuned. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss a drop. I know the holidays are coming up, so you're gonna have time to watch these videos, so definitely make sure you're checking them out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.